Hello guys, my name is Matthew. Today I just discovered a trick for who's want motovlogging. Problem with motovlogging is always to find a good mic setup. This address to those who have LX B4 FM intercom. What I have found by experimenting, I have bought this lavalier mic that come with some adapters. I have done multiple tests. All of them were not working with external mic. So now I am recording with the Open Camera app. This is on the LG V40. Open Camera support external mic, not the stock camera app. So this is one of the adapter that comes with the lavalier mic that I've bought. I will put a link in the video. I don't know the name of this adapter. This seems only like a normal adapter. So normally, I will show you. This is just a normal extension for headphones. This is the headphone and mic from the helmet. That comes with the intercom. I will plug into the phone. So 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Is anything has happened? I guess not. I guess this is not working. I just put this little adapter and my extension. I plug it into the phone and now I guess this will work. Let's do a test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Can you hear me? I will use my phone like an action cam with a chest mount. I will put the chest mount adapter in the video. Wide angle camera, so you can record almost like a GoPro. It records 40, 60 if you need. You can use any phone with this adapter, I guess. Bonus, if you have any headphones, you can use. If you have this intercom and you want to use headphones inside your helmet but connected to the intercom, this will work. I will show you. This is the sound from the headphones.
Power. Battery 80%.
So this worked. I don't know yet if the mic will work of this headphone. I did not test it yet. This is a long time that I was searching for a solution. This is it. I will be able to record with the intercom mic. The only drawback, I cannot use the intercom while doing this. But what I have done, I have a second microphone hidden on the helmet. So if I am riding with a group and I want to record my voice plus the sound of the other person talking, the mic is hidden just aside the speaker in here. So the mic will record the sound of the speakers. I just want to show you what happens if you connect the headphones without the adapter. The intercom is connected directly with these headphones without adapter, and I will let you hear the sound. This is the sound, and if I press this button here, the sound goes a little better, but the lyrics are all weird. So I will remove the headphone, put the adapter, and now a much louder sound and clearer like normal. That was just a little tip that I wanted to show you. So that's it for my tips today, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe if you learned something. I wish you a good day. Thank you.